The Frontier Crimes Regulation comprises a set of laws enforced by the British Raj in the Pashtun-inhabited tribal areas to counter their opposition to British rule. The main objective of the law, which dates back to mid-19th century, was to protect the interest of the British Empire. Some sections of the Frontier Crimes Regulation law are of draconian nature. Section 21 gives the authorities the right to raze to ground the houses of alleged criminals and their relatives as punishment.
FCR
FCR is a system of regulation that benefits only the ruling class and not the common people like us. Under the FCR, all the family members and sometimes their whole tribe can be jailed and punished for the crimes committed by the head of the family, his brother or any of his blood relation.
Under Frontier Crimes Regulations in FATA, the authorities revolves around one man called political agent, who enjoys both judicial and administrative powers. The local maliks or tribal chiefs who enjoy some powers are under the supervisions of the political agent and strongly oppose any change in the system.
First of all, we want Islamic Sharia as law in our tribal region. If not, then FCR suit the people of FATA because only FCR can implement the right of the state and control the criminal.
According to the Frontier Crimes Regulation, despite the presence of popularly elected tribal representatives, Parliament can play no role in the affairs of the area. And Article 247 of the Constitution of Pakistan says that no act of Parliament applies to FATA unless the President so desires.
Well, there was no political activity because there is no Arms Act, and if you extend the political activity and everybody comes out in a procession and everybody is armed, imagine what the plight of the people is going to be.
It is not clear yet if the government has extended Political Parties Act to FATA, but if President Asif Ali Zardari is looking for ways to recover FATA from the grip of the militants, political parties are believed to be just the vehicle to eventually achieve that goal. Is the power to repeal or introduce any regulations in the tribal regions rests with the President. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.